Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can change the Bluetooth name on your iPhone very easily. Put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to go into the phone settings. Here we're going to scroll down a little bit to go to the main settings. And here we're going to click on the very first item, About. And here we also click on the first item, Name. And that's the name of our device, which is always displayed when you connect to any other Bluetooth device. And in order to change it, you can delete the name completely. Enter whatever you like. You can enter any word, any name, absolutely any numbers. You can also host any emoji that you like with no problem. And after you do that, you just walk right back out. And as you can see, right away your name will be changed. So that's the totally easy way to change your Bluetooth name on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and see you later, friends.